Creating consistent content is one of the most important aspects of building a successful online presence. Whether you are running a blog, a YouTube channel, or any other type of online platform, consistency is key to building and maintaining an engaged audience. However, producing content on a regular basis can be challenging, especially when you have other responsibilities to manage. In this article, we will explore some tips and strategies for how to make content consistently. Set realistic goals. The first step to creating consistent content is to set realistic goals. This means determining how much content you can realistically produce on a regular basis. For example, if you are running a blog, you might set a goal to post once a week or twice a month. If you are running a YouTube channel, you might set a goal to produce one video a week. It is important to set goals that are achievable based on your current workload, skills, and resources. Create a content calendar. Creating a content calendar is a great way to stay organized and on track with your content production. A content calendar is a schedule that outlines the topics you plan to cover and when you plan to publish them. This allows you to plan ahead and ensure that you have enough time to produce quality content. You can use a spreadsheet or a calendar app to create your content calendar. Some content management systems, such as WordPress, also have built-in editorial calendars. Brainstorm ideas in advance. One of the biggest challenges of content creation is coming up with ideas. To avoid running out of ideas or feeling uninspired, it is important to brainstorm ideas in advance. This can involve creating a list of topics you want to cover, or using a mind mapping tool to generate ideas. You can also draw inspiration from current events, trends in your industry, or feedback from your audience. Batch content production. Batching is the process of producing multiple pieces of content at once. This can help you save time and ensure that you have a consistent flow of content. For example, if you are running a YouTube channel, you might film several videos in one day, and then edit and upload them over the next few weeks. Similarly, if you are running a blog, you might write several posts in one day, and then schedule them to be published over the next few weeks. Batching can also help you get into a flow state, where you can focus on a single task for an extended period of time. Use templates and checklists. Using templates and checklists can help you streamline your content production process and ensure that you do not miss any important steps. For example, if you are producing a video, you might create a template for your video script, or use a checklist to ensure that you have all the necessary equipment and props. Similarly, if you are writing a blog post, you might create a template for your post structure, or use a checklist to ensure that you have included all the necessary links and images. Delegate tasks. If you are working as part of a team, delegating tasks can help you produce content more efficiently. This means assigning specific tasks to different team members based on their skills and strengths. For example, one team member might be responsible for writing blog posts, while another might be responsible for creating graphics or videos. Delegating tasks can help ensure that everyone is working on their strengths, and that the workload is distributed evenly. Repurpose content. Repurposing content involves taking existing content and repackaging it in a different format or for a different platform. For example, you might take a blog post and turn it into a video or a podcast episode. Similarly, you might take a collection of social media posts and turn them into an ebook. Repurposing content can help you save time and reach a wider audience, as different people may prefer different formats or platforms for consuming content. Prioritize quality over quantity. While it is important to produce content on a regular basis, it is equally important to prioritize quality over quantity. Producing low-quality content can actually harm your online presence and turn off your audience. Therefore, it is important to take the time to produce high-quality content, even if it means publishing less frequently. This can involve researching your topics thoroughly, editing your work carefully, and incorporating multimedia elements, such as images and videos to enhance your content. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal following and keeping them engaged with your content. This means responding to comments, messages, and emails in a timely and thoughtful manner. It also means incorporating feedback and suggestions from your audience into your content. This can help you tailor your content to your audience's interests and preferences, and keep them coming back for more. Stay consistent. Finally, the key to making content consistently is to stay consistent over time. This means sticking to your goals and content calendar, even when you are busy or experiencing creative blocks. It also means continuing to produce high-quality content and engaging with your audience on a regular basis. Consistency builds trust and credibility with your audience and helps establish you as a reliable source of information in your industry or niche. Creating consistent content is a critical component of building a successful online presence. By setting realistic goals, creating a content calendar, brainstorming ideas in advance, batching content production, using templates and checklists, delegating tasks, repurposing content, prioritizing quality over quantity, engaging with your audience, and staying consistent, you can produce high-quality content on a regular basis and build a loyal following. With dedication and perseverance, you can make content consistently and achieve your online goals.